Good morning, students. Today we start part 3 of determinant, chapter number 4. Today we solve last topic, cofactor. Cofactor last part to be solved minor. What is the minor? Minor is the subdeterminant of the given determinant. If the order of given determinant is n into n, then the order of minor is n minus 1 into n minus 1. Minor is the mainly subdeterminant of a given determinant. Most of its order is 2 into 2. And cofactor is the related topic to the minor. Cofactor is the value of minors. It means when we given that a determinant of order n into n, first we find its minor, then we solve the minor. Minor is the determinant, subdeterminant, then we solve it. Cofactor is the value of minor with multiple the signature of position the element with positive and negative sign. It is represented by Fij. If we given that a determinant, suppose we given a determinant 2, 3, 1, 5, 9, 2, 1, 0, 2. Then first we find its minor. It means subdeterminant by using any row and any column. Suppose that we find the minor by using the first row R1. First we find the minor with respect to element 2. Its minor is M11. M11 equals to 9202. This row is shaded and this is column is shaded. Then this is minor. This is the subdeterminant of a given determinant. Similar we find M12. M12 is the minor with respect to element 3. Then we find 5, 1, 2, 2. This row is shaded and this is column shaded. Similar we find M13. M13 it means with respect to third element of first row. 13 it means first row and third column. Then this row is shaded, this column is also shaded. Then we get to 5, 9, 1, 0. These are the minor of a given determinant. And the cofactor. Cofactor is the value of minor with multiple the signature of position of the element. It means this element, its position is A11. It means first element of given determinant, its first row and first column. Then value of I, this is the value of I and this is the value of Z. This is the I and this is the Z. Similar element 3, it means A12. This is the second element of determinant. It means first row, second column. I equals to 1 and J equals to 2. Similar for element 1, this is the position of element A13. It means I equal to 1 and J equals to 3. With multiple the signature of position the element. It means when we expand a determinant of order 3 into 3, then we use this rules: plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Then this sign are used for. It means M11, it means plus. M12 minus, it means minus. And M13, it means plus. Don't multiple the value of element, only we multiple the negative and positive sign. And expand the determinant. 9 to the 18 and 0 to the 0. Then we get equals to 18. This is the cofactor of M11. Similar we solve 5 2 ja 10 equals to minus, we use 5 2 ja 10 minus 1 2 ja 2, 10 minus 2 8 with positive, and this is the negative sign, then we use equals to minus 8. Similarly solve this. So these are the cofactor of given determinant. It represented by Fij, means cofactor is represented Fij. Fij equals to minus 1 the power I plus j. It means I plus j is the most important value for the element. I means row and j means column. And multiple into Mij. Mij it means minor. Mij is the minor with respect to element, means Mij है वो minor को represent करता है. Similar M11, M12, M13. If I plus j, if the sum of I plus j is even, then we use a positive sign. And if I plus j odd, then we use negative sign. Suppose that for the element 2, it is position A11, I equals to 1 and j equals to 1, then we get 1 plus 1 equals to 2. It is even number. If the even, then we use positive sign. This is the positive sign. Similar, suppose that element 3, it is A12, it means 1 plus 2 equal to 3, minus 1 की power 3 equals to minus 1, then we use negative sign. Cofactor is the mostly used for the negative and positive sign. It's represented by Fij minus 1 the power I plus j into Mij. Mij is the minor. First we find minor, then we multiple negative and positive sign. These are the cofactor of given determinant. Okay. If I plus j even, then we use positive. If I plus j odd, then we use negative. Suppose we given that example. We given example, find the cofactor of given determinant by using, find the cofactor of the determinant by R1. It means we find the determinant by using first row R1. First, this is the first row R1. Okay, first we find the minor with respect to row first. First we find minor with row R1. It means M11. Value of M11. This row is added and this column is added. Then we get 3 0 minus 5 2. This is minor M11. And the next M12. This row is added and this column is added. Then we get to minus 2 1 0 2. And next we find the minor with respect to M13. M13 it means first row is added and third column is added. Then we get minus 2 1 3 minus 5. Okay, these are the minor of given determinant. Minor of given determinant. Now we find a cofactor. Cofactor is represented by Fij. Cofactor with R1. F11 it means first row and first column. Then we use positive sign before the minor. Means minor के before में अपने को negative sign use करना है and find the value of a minor. It means this is the plus, then we use plus. Not important the element. These elements are not important. These are not multiple. We multiple only its sign. first positive and 3 0 minus के 5 2 okay equals to we solve the minor 3 is multiplied by 2 and minus 5 is multiplied by 0 then we get 3 2 ja 6 6 minus 0 equal to 6. This is the first cofactor of f11. Second f12. It means second element. f12 means 4 and we represented by a12. It means the value of I equals to 1 and j equals to 2. I plus j 3. This is the odd number, then we use negative sign equals to minus and similar the negative sign. This simple rules. Minus use and the minor minus 2 1 0 2 equals to minus 2 is multiplied by 2. Minus 2 is multiplied by 2 and 1 is multiplied by 0. Then we get minus and minus 4. Minus into minus 4 equals to plus k 4. This is positive 4. Similar we find with minus 1. So f13 equals to by using the positive sign for this element. This position is a13. This is the position is a13. I equals to 1, j equals to 3. Then 1 plus 3 equals to 4. If I plus j is even, then we use positive. This is the positive sign. Then plus and we use minor minus 2 1 3 minus 5 equals to positive symbol and minus 2 is multiplied by minus 5. 1 is multiplied by 3. We first go minus 2 into minus 5. Positive के 10 5 2 जा 10 minus into minus plus 10 and next multiple down to f. 1 is multiplied by 3. Then we use negative sign minus 3 equals to 7. These are the minor of determinant and these are the cofactor of determinant. What is difference between minor and cofactor? Minor is the only subdeterminant of a given determinant, but cofactor is the value of a given minor. Okay, means जो minor हम find करेंगे उस minor की sign के respect में जो value आएगी उसको हम cofactor बोलेंगे. अच्छा, cofactor and minor का use कहाँ किया जाता है? Cofactor and minor are uses for finding the value of any determinant. किसी भी determinant की value find करने के लिए minor and cofactor का use किया जाता है. हम किसी भी रो से किसी भी कॉलम से minor और cofactor find कर सकते हैं. minor और cofactor find करने के बाद हम उनकी value भी find कर सकते हैं. We use the some important formulas for finding the value of determinant. First we solve, we find the value of determinant of order 3 into 3. Most important determinant is 3 into 3 order because the order of 2 into 2 determinant is simple. Means 2 into 2 order की जो determinant है उसकी value हम simple find कर सकते हैं. Mainly is problem related to order 3 into 3. Then value of determinant order 3 into 3 means 3 into 3 order की एक determinant given है तो उसकी value कैसे find करेंगे? Value of determinant with respect to R1 means R1 के respect में अपने को value find करनी है. We given a determinant of order 3 into 3. Its element is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32 and A33. Okay, that's are the simple notation. R1 के रेस्पेक्ट में अपने को डिटरमिनेंट की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. देन वैल्यू ऑफ डिटरमिनेंट del equals to, first we find the cofactor of determinant. There's a cofactor. Then the cofactor is multiple the element, means element से only multiple ही करना है. Its formula is A11 into F11. We multiple the sign already of the minor. जब माइनर को हमने सोल्व किया, कोफैक्टर फाइंड किए, तो हम साइन से पहले ही मल्टीपल कर चुके हैं, तो यहाँ आपको साइन से मल्टीपल नहीं करना है. R1 के रेस्पेक्ट में del equals to A11 F11 plus A12 F12 plus A13 F13. If the value of element A13 A12 is negative, then we use negative sign, either we use positive sign. This is the value of determinant with respect by using the R1. Similar we find the determinant with respect to C1. अगर आपको C1 के respect में determinant की value find करनी है by using the cofactor and minor, then del equals to, this is the column, then we use this column del element and the minor and cofactor of C1. तो हम क्या करेंगे, C1 जो कॉलम है उस कॉलम के रेस्पेक्ट में अपने को माइनर फाइंड करने हैं और कोफैक्टर फाइंड करने हैं. देन वी यूज द साइन प्लस माइनस एंड प्लस. A11 F11, this element is common. Second A21 plus A21 F21 plus A31, this is last element, and F31. Okay, this is the value of determinant with respect to column first. Similar, suppose that we find the value of determinant by using the third row. R3 के रेस्पेक्ट में अपने को डिटरमिनेंट की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. मींस जितने भी फॉर्मूले में अप्लाई करेंगे वैल्यू अपने को सेम मिलेगी, क्योंकि डिटरमिनेंट की वैल्यू हमेशा फिक्स रहती है, कभी चेंज नहीं होती. चाहे किसी कॉलम से सोल्व कर लिया जाए, कभी किसी रो से सोल्व कर लिया जाए, बट मोस्ट ऑफ जहां पर अपने को मैक्सिमम जीरो मिलते हैं वहीं से हम सोल्व करते हैं. यहाँ हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं कोफैक्टर और माइनर से रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम से. इफ वी फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ डिटरमिनेंट बाय यूजिंग द थर्ड रो, then we use del equals to third row. It means this is the third row. We find the minor and cofactor of row third. थर्ड रो के रेस्पेक्ट में अपने को पहले माइनर फाइंड करने होंगे. M31 M32 M33, इनके रेस्पेक्ट में अपने को इनके कोफैक्टर फाइंड करने होंगे. Then we put value A31 multiplied by F31 plus A32 multiplied by F32 plus A33 multiplied by F33. Okay. Similarly, find the value of determinant by using second row, second column, and third column. These are the similar values and similar formulas for finding the value of determinant. These are not learning point. These points are important for the understanding. ये समझने के लिए important है, रटने के लिए, याद करने के लिए important नहीं है, क्योंकि ये हम उनको फाइंड कर रहे हैं डिटरमिनेंट के रेस्पेक्ट में. क्वेश्चंस को जब सोल्व करना होगा माइनर फाइंड करके फिर कोफैक्टर से वैल्यू फाइंड करो, तो अपने को ये कंडीशंस यूज करनी है. ओके, वी गिवन ए क्वेश्चन ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 4.1, एक्सरसाइज 4.1, एंड वी गिवन क्वेश्चन नंबर क्वेश्चन नंबर फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन. फाइंड द डिटरमिनेंट minor and cofactor of given determinant by using the first column. Okay, question है find the minor cofactor and value of determinant by using first column. We solve its second question. Means हम इसके second question को solve कर रहे हैं. We given that determinant of order 3 into 3 A H G H B F G F and C. Find the value of determinant by using first column. First column means C1 से अपने को इसको solve करना है by using the minor and cofactor. Okay, this is the first column. This is the C1 of given determinant. First we find minor with respect with column C1 मीन C1 के रेस्पेक्ट में अपने को इनके कॉलम माइनर फाइंड करने. देन M11 दिस इज द फर्स्ट कॉलम. This is first column. Okay, then M11 equals to the first row is added and first column is added. Then we find B, F, F and C. This is the minor. Okay, similar for the second element of first column. This is the second element. Then M21 we got the first column. Then M21, then we added this row and this column. Then H F G and C. Okay, this is M21. Next we find the minor with respect to element M31. This is the third element of first column G. This column is added and this row is added. Then we write H B G and F. Okay, these are the minor of with respect to C1. We find cofactor with C1 मीन्स कॉलम C1 के रेस्पेक्ट में अपने को इनके कोफैक्टर फाइंड करने हैं. देन वी यूज द साइन फॉर द दिस कॉलम. दिस कॉलम इज द सिंबल प्लस माइनस प्लस माइनस प्लस माइनस प्लस माइनस प्लस. These sign are useful for the cofactor. Cofactor with F11 means F11 के रेस्पेक्ट में this is first element of first column. Then its position is 1 1 1 plus 1 2 even number. Then we use positive sign. Okay, this is the positive sign and B F and C. We solve this minor. Then B is multiplied by C and F is multiplied by F. Then we get BC minus F square. This is the value of F11. Next F21. It means first column and the second row. Second row, first column. Second row, first column. 2 plus 1, 3. Then we use negative sign. This is negative and this row H F G and C. Okay, equals to minus bracket H is multiplied by C and F is multiplied by G. H C minus G F. Negative sign is multiple. Then we write G minus is multiple positive and minus multiple negative. Then minus minus plus. Then we get G F minus HC. Next F31. This is the third element of first column and third row. Plus minus plus. Okay, this is H B G and F. Okay, we multiply this and this. H positive sign, H F minus B G equal to H F minus B G. These are the minor and these are the cofactor of column first. This is the first solution. This is second. Now we find the value of determinant, value of determinant. Okay, with by using the first column, then value of determinant del equals to, we use the minor and the cofactor. First F11, this is the first column, then we write A11 F11 plus A21. This is the second element, F21 and F21 plus A31 F31. Okay, this is the formula for the column first. ये कॉलम फर्स्ट के लिए अपने पास में फॉर्मूला है. पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ कोफैक्टर एंड एलिमेंट इक्वल्स टू A11. A11 is A. Then we put A bracket F11. This is the value of F11. Then we put BC minus F square. This is simple. Next plus A21. This is A21. Then its value is H bracket. We use F21 ZF minus HC. Okay, plus A31. This is A31 G. Then we put G and bracket value of F31 HF minus BG, HF minus BG. Okay, in next row multiply the element and remove the bracket. First we multiply A is multiplied by BC and F square. Then we write ABC minus AF square plus multiply the H by GF. Then we write HGF minus H square C. Next we multiply plus FGH and minus BG square. We multiply the element and remove the bracket. Next equal to ABC. This is FGH and this is FGH. There is a like term. Then we added the like term. We write plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square. This is the value of a given determinant. Okay, there is a simple method for finding the value of any determinant in the different format. First we find a minor, second find cofactor, then by using the formula, हम फॉर्मूले को यूज करते हुए किसी भी डिटरमिनेंट की वैल्यू फाइंड कर सकते हैं. Okay, this is the question number 5 of exercise 4.1 and do you self solve its first question. There are two questions in this question. First question, do you self, and I tell you an example for finding the cofactor. Similar, if we given an example, we given that the determinant then equals to 7 2 4 2 4 1 8 5 2 minus 1 3 7. Okay, this is the determinant of order 3 into 3. Then find the minor and cofactor of second row. Means second row का यूज करते हुए अपने को इसके cofactor minor यूज करने. Then this is the second row. Okay, first we find minor M21. M21 for element 8. We added this row and this column, then its minor is 4 1 3 7. Simple. And then M22, don't use any sign, only find its subdeterminant. M22, this column is added, this row is added, then 2 minus 1 1 7. Simple. And next M23, then this row is added, this column is added, 2 4 minus 1 and 3. These are the minor of given determinant. Similarly, we find its cofactor. Then we use minus, plus and minus symbol. Then minus, plus, minus symbol, and we solve the determinant. Okay. Similarly, we solve this question. Okay. Next term, next part 4, we solve the operation of determinant. This is the most important topic. Operation of determinant we solve in the exercise 4.2.